Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to be looking at the language of chance again, and we're going to be looking at two words, impossible and possible. We can also write these words in a different way. We might, instead of writing possible, we might write certain. Impossible, we might write uncertain. So impossible means that it cannot happen. It cannot. There is no way that it can happen. Possible means that it can happen. So there's two ways. It's either it can happen or it cannot happen. Uncertain means, well, I don't know, I don't think it's going to happen. Certain means it's going to happen. Let me throw some events at you, some ideas, and you say out loud whether you think it's impossible or possible, or whether it's uncertain or certain. Are you ready? One day you are going to learn to surf. Did you say it out loud? Was it possible or impossible? I think it's possible. Even if you don't know how to surf now, I still think it's possible. You are going to learn how to become a better reader when you get back to school. I think that's possible too, and certain. You are going to learn how to fly by flapping your arms in the air. I think that's impossible. What about you're going to become the strongest person in the world? That could be possible. Or uncertain, I guess. What about when you grow up, you are going to become a teacher? That's definitely possible. What about when next year you're going to go into year 3. This might be different for different people. So for some of you, you might have said impossible because you might be in year 1. Some of you might have said possible or certain because you're in year 2. Okay, boys and girls, it's your turn now. I want you to say out loud something that is impossible. I won't be able to hear what you say, but I'd like you to say it out loud anyways. Can you tell me one event that would be impossible? What about now? Can you think of another event that would be impossible? I wonder if you said two things out loud. What about if we got rid of the im and we had possible? Can you say two things out loud that would be possible? Let's change our word up now. Let's write down certain. Do you know something that is certainly going to happen? That is certain means it must happen. It will happen. Can you say it out loud? What about something that is uncertain? It's the opposite of certain. Can you say something out loud? Okay, boys and girls, thank you for your engagement today. Now it's time to stop the video and move on with your consolidation sheets.